you're interested in making money online, you get our emails, but it occurred to me that maybe you just don't really understand what this business is all about. So in this video, I'm gonna break it down for you exactly what Mark and I do to earn money online, okay? So first, understand that the world of digital marketing is a $1.2 billion a day industry. And it's projected by Forbes, Money Magazine, and Wall Street Journal to be a $3 billion a day industry by 2027. So this isn't going anywhere. The world has gone digital, and it gets more and more digital by the day, which is a good thing if you want to get involved in digital marketing, because it's not going anywhere. So the blueprint teaches you how to post 3 videos a day. Now, understand, Mark and I had never posted a video before on social media. We had no idea how to do it, but the program teaches you exactly what to say, how to say it, and how to attract the exact right, perfect customer for you. So we post 3 videos a day, just talking about this business. And you may have seen a lot of our videos. The videos can be 7 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute and a half. That's up to you, all right? And I have a full-time job. I'm a first grade teacher. So let me explain how I work this around my full-time job. So I post our first video before I leave for school, sitting right here, having my cup of coffee, and I post video number 1, okay? I get that out of the way. When I go to school, I give my first graders my full attention as they deserve, so I don't work this business at all during my school hours, all right? When I'm pulling into my driveway at the end of the day, I post video number 2 in my car because it's quiet, it's private. We have 3 dogs who go crazy when I come in the house, which I absolutely love, but it's not very conducive for doing a video. So I do it in my car. Video number 2, done. Mark and I go live every day. Now, that being said, not everybody does that. But I also want to explain to you that we didn't know how to do that. We had never gone live on any social media platform before. We had to learn these skills, and you're taught everything you need to learn in the program. Now, what you see, if you see us on videos and see us on lives, is people that have learned the skills and practiced. That's all it is. It's not complicated. It just requires some practice. Okay, so we get our live done. I post video, or we post video number 3 in my pajamas right before I go to bed. Again, 7 seconds to a minute and a half, up to me, up to us. We answer emails every day from people who want to find out more about the business, and emails from our own customers who have questions and they need support, which we always give. We might hop on a Zoom call with a prospective customer who would just like a little one-on-one to ask a few questions. We're always willing to do that. And we plug into some training every week. There's a 3 to 5 minute video that our founder, Michelle, sends us every day. We always watch those because those are golden nuggets that you can easily implement into your business every single day. She pours into us. There's also live interactive training every single week, multiple times a week. Now, not every live interactive training can I get on because I'm working. Some of them are in the evening, but they're all recorded. So we watch those when it's convenient for us. And that's about it. The business is simple, my friend. This is a simple blueprint that is already proven. You don't need to veer off of it. You just need to follow it step by step by step. Literally, you're taught every single thing you need to know about building a successful business online with this program in digital marketing. And anybody can do this. I'm 58 years old, Mark is 71. We're averaging about $3,000 to $5,000 a month right now. The sky is the limit, and our business is growing all the time. But as complete beginners, we're pretty happy with $3,000 to $5,000 a month right now. We are going to be here for you every step of the way. We don't want you to be alone, okay? We want you to succeed. We want you to make as much money as you want or need or have dreamt about. You're also part of a community of over 55,000 people that support each other, that grow with each other, that learn from each other. So that was really important to us too, because again, we didn't know anything about making money online. Knowing that we have a large community of people that we can ask a question to any time of day or night, and we always get responses, was very comforting for us. So that's the business in a nutshell. And if it sounds super simple, that's because it is, my friend. So I'm not sure what's holding you back. Possibly it was that you just didn't really understand what the business was all about. And that's why I made this video for you. If you have additional questions, please do not hesitate to reply to this email and ask. And if you want to set up a one-on-one Zoom with us, again, we're always happy to do that, because we want you to understand what this is all about. And we want you to feel safe with whatever decision you make. So I hope this helped. Let us know if we can help in any other way.